Whether you're planning a local move or relocating across the country, understanding moving costs is essential. This guide will cover how much movers charge, factors that affect moving prices, and how to find the best movers for your budget. On average, hiring professional movers costs around $1,200 for a local move, but for long-distance relocations, the price can range from $3,000 to $10,000 depending on the distance and the size of your move. The total cost can also increase by 30% if you add packing or other services. Several factors can influence how much you pay. These include the size of your home, the volume of your belongings, the moving distance, and even the time of year. Let's break down these costs further. For example, a 4-bedroom home will need more space and effort than a 1-bedroom apartment. Additionally, moving companies often charge more during peak seasons, like summer. Local moves usually cost between $300 and $1,400, while long-distance moves can vary between $2,200 and $5,700. Long-distance moves factor in mileage, tolls, and sometimes lodging for the crew. Many moving companies offer cost calculators on their websites, allowing you to estimate your total moving cost. You'll usually input details like home size, moving distance, and any additional services needed. Self-moving can save money, but it's important to weigh the cost of renting a truck, gas, and time. For a local move, truck rentals average $20 to $100 per day plus gas and insurance, while hiring professional movers can save you time and hassle. When choosing movers, be sure to get multiple quotes, check reviews, and ensure they provide clear cost breakdowns. Companies like 3 Movers offer transparent pricing, customizable services, and professional movers to make your relocation stress-free. Ready to calculate your moving costs? Visit our website or call us for a free quote. Thanks for watching and happy moving!